experience speed like never before when you connect to Grant PUD's high-speed network. Visit grantpud.org to learn more.
Grant County saw an extraordinary amount of mumps cases this year with 45. The mumps outbreak was contained to the Columbia Basin Job Corps and the Ephrata School District. Grant County Health District Administrator Teresa Atkinson says that was a fraction of the 888 cases reported statewide.
The mumps outbreak was incredibly large for the size of our community. We were part of a multi-county outbreak across Washington state. So we have been meeting with our other local health jurisdictions to talk about policies and procedures and how we implement prevention measures, health officer orders, and that, because it was a very large outbreak and people travel quite a bit more.
Fortunately, no one currently has mumps in Grant County. The same cannot be said about whooping cough, with 78 current cases in the county. This year, Moses Lake had 54 cases of pertussis, Ephrata had 22, Soap Lake 2, and both Royal City and Warden had 1.
Our pertussis outbreak is very local. It's right here in Grant County. It's the largest pertussis outbreak we've ever experienced. And so it too is very time consuming and costly, and kids miss school. With pertussis, whooping cough, as you oftentimes hear it referred to as, it's babies. We all get that vaccine to protect our babies. For you and I, it could be a nasty cold that's hard to get rid of. For a baby, it could be life-threatening. So it's very important for expecting moms to make sure they're up to date with their vaccine, but anybody caring for or loving on their new baby.
I'm Sean Goggins for iFiber One News.